You say hi, Moose? Good. That's good to hear. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thank you. Malachi, how are you? I see flying hearts. Thank you. Say thank you, Moose. Hey, River Raven. Thanks for stopping by. Good. Glad everybody's doing good. We're on the porch, staying dry. Thanks for the likes, everybody. We got rainy weather today. Look at out here. Not today. I just hung out with the doggies. Taking care of Moose and Raven. Thanks for the thumbs up, everybody. Kayla Young. Alberto. How you doing? Thanks for stopping by. We're watching the rain, listening to those tree frogs. Moose and Raven are a year and a half. They're still big puppies. Right, buddy? You're a good boy. Yeah. A lazy day. Nice and rainy out there. He doesn't want to go off the porch. What do you think? Close up. Good boy. Maybe a little bit, but not bad. Malachi, thank you. Yeah, subscribe. Check out all our videos. We got some cool ones. I don't think Moose isn't really limping today. He seems like he's doing pretty good. He had a good play session with Raven in the kitchen earlier on. Yeah. Oh boy. You getting up? You stretching? Oh, it's a good stretch. Cool, cool. Thank you. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. We're just hanging out on the porch. Yeah, that's the plan. You know, I want to make sure he doesn't limp for at least a few days before I do anything like that. I'll probably take him walking in the woods first. See how that goes, and then scootering. It might be a little while, though. It's supposed to be rainy here for the next week. So, maybe next week. I think it's going to rain every day this week. You're a lazy boy, Moose. Yeah, absolutely. Shout out. Shout out to Malachi. I hope I'm saying your name right. Am I saying it right? Malachi? Say hi, Moose. Give a shout out to Malachi. Thanks for hitting that thumbs up button. Yeah, Moose is being lazy.